Hi everyone, in my previous video I've discussed how to describe physical appearance and now I'm gonna give you some examples. Let's just dive in. Now let's have a look at the examples, but quickly before getting started I want to mention that if there are some words that you don't know their meaning, you can watch my previous video. Even I recommend you watch my previous video about physical appearance and then watch this video because here I use some description adjectives, and if you don't know their meaning, I have given most of them in my previous video. Again, if there are some words that I haven't given in my previous video, I will try to explain them one by one. Let's get started. She's young and a little bit fat. She's brunette. Brunette here means she has got black hair. She has got an oval face, big dark eyes, and a small nose. Her hair is short and straight. And the second one, he is middle-aged, tall and thin. He's bald. He has a mustache but no beard. He has big round eyes. His face is square. Here, bald means a person has no hair. And mustache is the hair that grows above our upper lips, and beard is facial hair. The next one, she's old, short, and fat. She has gray, long, wavy hair. She's fair and blue-eyed. She's wearing glasses. And the last one, he's young. He's of medium height and weight. He has a chubby face. His eyes are hazel. Hazel is a kind of color that is the mixture of brown and green. He has blonde hair. He has a beard and a mustache. Now let's learn to describe in the level of intermediate and upper intermediate. So, she's in her 20s, she's slender with her slim figure. Figure here means body shape. And her hair is jet black and wavy and it's going down to her waist. Here, jet black means black but very dark, and it's going down to her waist shows it's very long. She has a round chubby face and dark complexion. She's got dark almond eyes and a straight nose. When she smiles, dimples appear on both sides of her cheeks. The next one, he's middle-aged, tall and muscular. He has a triangle face with a beard and mustache. He's going bald. He's going bald means he's not bald yet, but very soon he might be bald. So his bushy eyebrow gives him angry look. Here, bushy eyebrow means there is too much hair in his eyebrow. And that's why he looks very angry. And then he has crow's feet around his round eyes. And the last one, she's old and curvy. Her complexion is pale with some wrinkles. Her eyes are slanted. Slanted is the shape of eyes that shows it's leaning in one direction. And she has a button nose. Button here shows her nose is so small, tiny. And she has a round, chubby face with a double chin. Her hair is going gray. Again, her hair is going gray, like it's going bald. It means that it's not gray yet, but very soon, in a short time, it will be gray. She's a teenager. Her shoulder-length curly hair is blonde. She is fair with her captivating hazel eyes. Captivating means amazing, breathtaking. Her high cheekbones make her smile radiant. Radiant means bright, shining. She's oval-faced and snub-nosed. She's of average height and a bit chubby. He's young, tall, and well built and looks like he hits the gym regularly. It shows that he is fit and in a good shape. So he has short, dark, and straight hair. He's wearing glasses. He has acne on his face and bags under his eyes. Acne is the red pimples on the skin, as a kind of skin condition. He has bags under his eyes, means under his eyes are a little bit puffy. And the last one, she's pretty with her Asian eyes, slim figure, full lips, rosy cheeks, and curly hair. Rosy cheeks, it shows that her cheeks are, somehow reddish, you know. Her tiny mole on her neck gives her a unique look. Mole, it is a spot that grows on the face and or maybe on the neck or any part of the body, we can say. And this sentence, her tiny mole on her neck gives her a unique look. It shows that this mole, make her special. She has a nose piercing. It's a kind of earrings that people wear it on their nose or mouth or somewhere else. So, and tattoo, is a kind of picture on the body.